Space, the final frontier. As mankind rests on the threshold of a wondrous new era, it is only the most daring, innovative, and creative thinkers of our kind that will take us to places never before seen. Today, we propose an audacious mission to push the envelope in our understanding of habitability and answer long-asked questions about the past, present, and potential for future life on Mars.
As mentioned previously, we will be landing on Vastidas Borealis, the largest lowland region of Mars. Located in the northern latitudes of the planet, it is often referred to as the Northern Plains or the North Polar Ice Erg of Mars. This is a tried and true optimal site for landing. After landing, a preliminary examination of Borealis subsurface ice will be conducted, with a special focus on finding life essential elements via mass spectroscopy and conceptualizing the exact degree of what resources exist in this area. Finally, we will head north to the Martian polar ice caps to conduct the majority of our research.
A research angle that our team is particularly interested in is the subglacial exploration of Mars. Past missions have been unable to collect precise data on what lies below the glaciers of Mars, which is an important dimension to consider when looking for evidence of habitable environments. We found plenty of evidence on Earth of subglacial environments that support life, such as the infamous Blood Falls.
We are proposing to drill into the polar ice caps to gain access to subglacial environments and look for organics. And we will also be analyzing ice cores for climatic activity and change over millions of years, using methods analogous to those on Earth.
We are also proposing to use a new innovative instrument called the IceMole. After the drill determines its altitude and position with a scanner, we will be able to measure the distance to its target and calculate the optimal path. It can then send data to the surface station with a cable connection, and then identify obstructions in the ice and navigate around them.
Finally, we will be exploring potential avenues for long-term and more sustainable habitation of Mars. This includes the electrolysis of grounded and glacial ice for usage in fuel and respiration, the excavation of more permanent habitation sites from ice caps, as well as taking steps for developing long-term infrastructure for sample analysis and return.
As a personal proponent of habitation and the eventual colonization of Mars, I fully understand the magnitude of such tasks. The mission we propose does not intend to colonize Mars, but rather take the first steps towards understanding what such an effort might entail, and if it is even feasible. Exploration of the unstudied ice cap is key to learning more about the type of resources Mars offers, knowledge valuable to both colonists and conservationists.
So I am largely interested in the conservation of Mars, as I don't think it's within our right to colonize another planet when our own planet is dying from climate change and nuclear waste and whatnot. But I also agree with Derek in that the purpose of this mission is purely scientific and to find out more about Mars and habitation. So
I am on the conservationist side too, and as you can see, we all have different opinions about colonizing or conserving Mars, but we all agree that this mission is crucial for our understanding of the Red Planet.
With great power comes great responsibility.